A hidden threat. Silent damage caused by sugar. Do you think high blood sugar is only diabetes? You are mistaken. Even if your tests are almost normal or you have pre-diabetes, it is already a warning sign. Every time sugar spikes after eating, it damages the walls of your blood vessels from the inside. Imagine that instead of blood, a sweet, thick syrup is flowing through your veins. This leads to atherosclerosis, heart attacks, strokes, problems with the kidneys, vision, and nervous system. It does not happen in one day. It is a slow and invisible process that weakens your body for years. And the worst part is that you do not feel it until it becomes too late. We eat without thinking, and our cells are bathed in excess glucose that literally caramelizes them. The goal is not only to treat diabetes, but also to prevent this sweet killer from entering your life. Your dinner is your medicine. What should you prepare in the evening? 70% of our viewers watch us without subscribing. We create useful content for your health and want you not to miss new videos. Subscribe to support us and be the first to receive important advice. Thank you for taking care of your health with us. Bay leaf infusion, simple and powerful. In the evening, take 10 to 12 dried bay leaves and pour 3 cups of boiling water into a thermos. Close it and leave it overnight. In the morning, strain it. Drink half a cup 3 times a day, 30 minutes before meals. The course lasts 3 to 7 days, then take a 2-week break. Bay leaves contain substances that improve insulin sensitivity. Oat infusion. Oats are a treasure of fiber and beta-glucans that slow down sugar absorption. In the evening, pour 1 cup of whole oats with 1 liter of water. Bring it to a boil and simmer on low heat for 30 minutes. Let it sit under a lid until morning. In the morning, strain it and drink half a cup 3 times a day, 30 minutes before meals. Flax seeds. Small seeds with great power. They are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids that slow down carbohydrate absorption and improve pancreatic function. In the evening, pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of whole seeds with a glass of warm water. Cover and leave overnight so they swell and form a gel. In the morning, drink this mixture on an empty stomach together with the seeds. You can also add it to porridge or smoothies. Start with smaller amounts to see how your body reacts. Secrets of a morning drink. Your morning without sugar spikes. Morning is a key time for blood sugar control. What you drink and eat first sets the tone for the whole day. Forget about sweet tea or coffee with a bun. This is a direct path to insulin spikes. Apple cider vinegar. Natural, unfiltered apple cider vinegar can be very helpful. It lowers the glycemic index of food and improves glucose metabolism. In the evening, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. You can also drink it before meals. Burdock root infusion. Burdock root has long been used in traditional medicine to help manage diabetes thanks to inulin, a natural polysaccharide. In the evening, pour 2 cups of boiling water over 1 tablespoon of dried chopped burdock root in a thermos. Leave it overnight. In the morning, strain it. Drink half a cup 3 times a day before meals. The course lasts 3 to 4 weeks. Attention! Do not forget to consult a doctor, especially if you are already taking glucose-lowering medications. These remedies may enhance their effect. What doctors often do not mention: the importance of micronutrients and chromium. Doctors often focus on sugar and insulin levels and prescribe medications, but they rarely talk about how important micronutrients are for proper carbohydrate metabolism. One of the most important is chromium. Why is it rarely discussed? Possibly because it is not an expensive drug, but a simple and accessible element found in many foods. Chromium improves insulin sensitivity and helps glucose enter the cells. Its deficiency may be one of the causes of insulin resistance, even if you are relatively healthy. Where can you get chromium? Brewer's yeast. Yes, ordinary brewer's yeast is a powerful source of chromium. You can buy it in pharmacies in tablets or granules. Broccoli, green beans, whole grains, mushrooms, and liver are also good sources. Include these foods in your diet more often. Magnesium is another underestimated hero. A deficiency of this element worsens insulin sensitivity. Sources of magnesium include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate. Zinc is important for the synthesis and storage of insulin. Sources include seafood, meat, legumes, and pumpkin seeds. Remember, balanced nutrition is not just about eating less sugar. It is about properly nourishing your body with all the necessary micronutrients. A forgotten drink of our ancestors, rosehip for sugar and blood vessels. Our grandparents knew a lot about natural remedies. One of their favorite drinks was rosehip. This is not just vitamin C. It is a powerful remedy for vascular health that directly affects the consequences of high blood sugar. Rosehip strengthens capillary walls, makes them less permeable, and improves blood flow. This is extremely important because blood vessels are the first to suffer from high sugar levels. Rosehip can also help reduce cholesterol, which often goes hand in hand with blood sugar problems.